Yep. Look.
Oh, wow. That's so cool.
Neat.
You guys get a chance, make it out here to BC to Terrace. Ferry Island and campsite. I don't know how many that is really.
Yeah, I don't know.
Found another one. Only 3.
He's looking at you. It's pretty neat.
Wow. Oh, look at this. That's cool. It's a pirate, I think. Yeah, it's a pirate. It's a knife. And another pirate.
Oh, wow. Look at that. Huh.
You even got the scar.
Ah! Jack Black.
Look at that. Check out the scar.
Yeah. That's
Amazing
neat.
work. I mean, they're like 30 years old, right?
Whew.
Well, I hope you guys are enjoying our little
Scavenger hunt.
scavenger hunt. Yeah. I'm still looking for the elusive dragon.
Okay, this is an owl.
Oh, wow.
It's hard to see, but there is an owl in there.
Well, you've got the eye for finding them.
I'm zoned in, honey.
Oh, check that out.
Oh, jeez. Hmm? Is that a gnome?
That was wild, eh? See that carved
That's
into one
neat.
tree.
Huh. 2010.
Pretty good job. Somebody whittled away at that.
Mm-hmm.
Great.
Oh. Hi.